So I have these Samodra bidets. And the water is off, so I can move this. And I noticed that after like a year of use, this handle gets crunchy. So you can take it apart. There's a plastic piece covering this. So you have to wedge it out with like a tiny flat screwdriver. That comes out, and then there's a screw there. It's a small Phillips, so you need like the smaller Phillips, a medium sized head. But the problem is, so they sent me one when this happened the first time to replace it, but the problem is this ring. It's a plastic ring covered with chrome. It all bubbles up. And then it creates all sorts of like weird things around here, like that are blue. You can still see it. I cleaned it, but this goes like that. So that goes on there like that. And then there's that. I have to do it with two hands, but essentially this all clips together, and then this, I gotta clean this edge too. So you gotta clean everything out and then put it back together. Otherwise it makes like a crunchy noise, but it's not the actual clothes bearing here, it's the plastic. So it's easy to clean. Hope that helps. I couldn't find any videos on how to disassemble the handle, but it is just this thing popping off. So when it has like tabs here, you have to remove it and then unscrew the screw, and then you can take this off and clean it. Cheers.